Hello everyone, mustard seed. We're talking about the spiritual benefits of mustard seed. For those of you that don't know mustard seed is over there. Mustard seed. A lot of you, maybe you heard about it, or maybe you don't know it. Some of you have been even using it, but you don't know that it has a lot of spiritual benefits. I want to tell you that it has a lot of it. It works for connection, it works for massive sales, it works for success in your exams, it works for the fruit of the womb, it works for promotion, it works for job or employment. Okay, it helps in getting you your job, that job that you've been looking for. It works for favor, it works for attraction, it works for cleansing, it works to remove witches attack, it works to cleanse you from all the negativity. It's a lot. I can go on and on and on. And there's a way that if you use it properly, it will definitely work for you. Okay? And I want to drop this spiritual assignment on how to use it. If you have mustard seed right now, I want you to get about 7 pieces of mustard seed right now. And if you don't have it, there's no rush. Watch this video, and whenever you get the mustard seed, you can use it. Okay? One thing about spiritual work is it's timeless. Even if you're watching this video in the next 100 years, it's still going to work as it should. These are deep secrets about mustard seed that our forefathers used. They tried it, they did it. They don't just try it, they did it. They used it to better their life, and it works. In fact, their life were better for it. So get for me 7 seeds of mustard seed. Okay? So make sure you get like a clear bowl. You can get a cup. You can get a bowl. Just put about 7 pieces of mustard seed in it. Then put it on a table, on your table, like that. Then you have to make your intention. You have to make your prayers. Anything at all that you want healing, you want connections, you want that contract, you want to pass your exam, you want to be intelligent, you want to get the fruit of the womb, you want to get massive customers and sales, anything it is, it doesn't really matter what you are going through right now. It works for all of them. So make your intention into that mustard seed. And remember, this spiritual works needs to be done just before 1 a.m. in the morning. You can wake up around 12 a.m., midnight, or 12:30. Just make sure that you will, after making your prayer, you can start your prayer from like 12:30 a.m. Then when it is around 1 a.m. in the morning, take that mustard seed, pray into it, okay? And then you have to call this spiritual name 33 times. Call Jehovah Jireh 33 times. If you're a Christian, if you're a Muslim, call Allah 33 times and mention your mother's name. Okay? Call your mother's name 7 times. Remember, you call Jehovah Jireh 33 times if you're a Christian. If you're a Muslim, call Allah 33 times. And then you call your mother's name 3 times. Get what I'm saying? If you are a traditionalist, call the creator 33 times. The creator of heaven and earth 33 times. And call your mother's name 7 times. Okay? Then, after when it is exactly 1 a.m. in the morning, take the mustard seed, the 7 seed, put it in your mouth and start chewing it. Okay? Start chewing. You have to chew it and you have to swallow it. Okay? So when you swallow it, you have to start making your intention again. You start praying those things that you want in your life, those things that you want in your life. Start attracting everything. Even things that you don't want, make sure you cast them out and start attracting things that you want into your life. So when it is done, take this cup and keep it for the next assignment. Okay, this is a spiritual assignment, and for as many people that will believe in this and try this, it will definitely work for you. In fact, what I want to hear from you when next is, Precious, I thank God for your life. Thank you for this spiritual work. That thing that I'm looking forward has happened. I got the job. I got the contract. I got the promotion. I got the husband. I got my wife. I got my husband. I got the fruit of the womb. My business is doing well right now. These are the things that I will follow in the mighty name of God. So go right ahead and try this and come back with your testimony. This spiritual work, you can do it for like 5 days at 1 a.m. in the morning. Okay, so if you love this video, give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and share this video with your friends and family. All right, then I'm going to talk to you in my next video. Until then, stay safe and be blessed. Bye bye.